guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these makeup remover mitts. They just slide onto your hands and they're great with micellar waters and cleansing milks, all that sort of thing. You just pop them on your hands and use them for wiping off all your makeup. Also, they're really great if you use face packs and things like that to get off your face packs. Now here I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can make 24 of these out of a pack of 8. And I got my pack for $1.99. I'll show you that in a minute. And they're very easy to use. Even when you've got them on, you can still open your bottles. So you just put a bit of your cleansing milk or toners, anything you want to put on them. Give it a nice little rub around and then you're ready to use them on your face. So these are the 2 packs I bought. This one was $1.99 and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 out of here, and there's also 8 in this pack as well. Now when I've looked at the quality, the cheaper pack actually feels like a lot better quality, if you can see that. And it's a bit thicker, it feels nicer and softer compared to this pack. Feels a bit thinner and flimsier. So anyway, you can get these in any of your local like home bargain shops, pound stretcher shops, and generally they're quite cheap. But this time the cheaper pack happened to be a better quality. And you can kind of see when you look at the pack, this has a slightly bigger weave to it than this is, more closer weave. So I'm going to use these ones today. So to start with, just take your cloth, fold it in half. You sort of, one side looks slightly softer than the other. So the softest side put on the inside. Right, I'm just going to cut off the label because you don't need that. So just fold it in half. And then the measurement of these ones are not quite 12 inches. So I'm just going to sort of make it 12 by just stretching a little bit. So I'm going to mark at 4 inches. So I'll mark 4 inches and 8 inches, and again up here 4 and 8. It doesn't have to be too precise, and then just make sure it is lined up along the edges, and then I'm just going to cut straight along those lines. There we go. So now I'm just going to clip both sides, and then with anything you've got that's round, you might just want to eyeball it, just round the end off, and then I'm going to go and sew that, and I'm just going to sew down the side, round and back again, and go back and forth on either ends. Okay, so here they are. I've done all 3 of them, and as you can see, I've just sewed right the way around. I'm now just going to trim off the corner pieces and then turn it around. Obviously snip off any little bits of cotton, loose cotton hanging down. And there you go. Now these are brilliant for taking off your makeup. I just slide them onto my hands like so. You can also use 2 at a time. Great for micellar waters, cleansing milks, and they're just brilliant for getting off your makeup. I absolutely love them. They're soft and they just feel lovely. Again, you just chuck them in the washing machine. You can put them in with your clothes or just any standard towel wash. And you're saving the planet by not using disposable wipes or anything like that. So you just wash them and reuse them. So very economical as well, especially at $1.99 for all of these. So I'm going to carry on now making more. I'm going to make all of these and give them out to my friends and family. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.